ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ this is your first lesson, that is nutrition in plants. In this lesson we will study about how the nutrition is taking place in the plants. Okay, in this one first we will study the definition of nutrition and then the mode of nutrition. There are two mode of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition, and we will discuss the definition for both the modes of nutrition, and then we will study what is photosynthesis. Okay, autotrophic nutrition in plants, that is photosynthesis process. Okay, so let's begin. Nutrition in plants. The nutrition, so the definition for that nutrition is the method of obtaining the food and utilizing it to body. It is known as nutrition. All living organisms that we see around us and also we human beings require the nutrition, because we want the food and we will get the energy from that food. So to perform any of the activity in our daily life, either it may be writing, either it may be playing the games, or it may be doing some other works, we need the energy, and that energy we are getting from the food we eat. So nutrition, the method of obtaining the food by an organism and utilizing it within its body, it is known as nutrition. And there comes two types of nutrition, that is modes of nutrition. In that one, the first mode of nutrition is autotrophic nutrition and second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Here you can see first one is autotrophic nutrition, second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, it is the ability of an organism to prepare its own food. So the definition for autotrophic nutrition is the ability of an organism to prepare its own food. We can say that whichever organism it may be, either it is preparing its own food, it comes under the group of autotrophic nutrition. The best example we can give for this autotrophic nutrition is green plants. We can say that green plants are autotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition, here we can say green plants are producing their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, they are not dependent on other animals or other organisms or the human beings for their food. They are preparing their food themselves. So for that reason the green plants are known as autotrophic nutrition, that the green plants are known as they are having autotrophic nutrition. Okay, then comes the heterotrophic nutrition. So the organism obtain prepared food or raw materials. So the organism which obtain the prepared food or raw material from other organism are known as heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, the organisms obtain their prepared food or raw material from plant or other organism. This kind of nutrition is known as heterotrophic nutrition. For this we can give the examples such as animals, we human beings and some other organisms for heterotrophic nutrition. This is about autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Just the difference is autotrophic, they are preparing their own food. Heterotrophic, they are unable to prepare their own food and they are dependent on other organisms for their food. Here we have used that prepared food. Prepared food in the sense ready to eat, such as the fruit grown in the trees, such as mango, it may be some other fruits such as apple, such as grapes. They are ready to eat, prepared food it is. And also some raw materials in the sense by using those raw materials we can cook the food. It may be some vegetables, it may be some cereals, it may be the pulses, etc. Okay, and then comes autotrophic nutrition in plants. We know that plants are having a autotrophic nutrition and plants are preparing their food by the process of photosynthesis. Here this term photo that photo indicates sunlight. Photo means sunlight. Synthesis means preparation. So preparation of food in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, the definition given is it is a process by which the green plants or the green parts of the plants, such as leaves it may be, such as stem it may be, prepare or synthesize carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is nothing but the food. Carbohydrate by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a process in which green parts of the plant, leaves and stems, are preparing the carbohydrate by using sunlight and carbohydrate. So they are using the sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll for the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So the reaction they have given for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water is essential. Here we can write that sunlight. Sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is essential, sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, and the product after the photosynthesis is glucose, that is nothing but carbohydrate, that is our food, and along with that it is going to release the oxygen. We can say that plants are absorbing the carbon dioxide, they are taking the carbon dioxide inside and releasing the oxygen outside. So during the photosynthesis it is going to absorb the carbon dioxide and water they are getting from the roots, and they will prepare the food by using sunlight, and the food is prepared in the chlorophyll, that is green colored pigment present in the leaves. It is known as chlorophyll. Food factory of the tree, that is chlorophyll, and the glucose is produced as a result of photosynthesis, that is nothing but carbohydrate, that is our food, and the oxygen gas is liberated. Oxygen gas is released during the photosynthesis process. So the raw materials required. What are the raw materials required for photosynthesis? This question may arise. The raw materials required for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. These are the 4 essential raw materials which are required for photosynthesis process. Okay.